What's good, pretty? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today we're gonna be reviewing this hair from Curlyme hair. If y'all watched my last video with them, you would know that I love that hair, so keep watching to see how I feel about this hair, because it's not what you would expect. It's a little different. This is their Mongolian Kinky curly hair for reference if y'all are watching. All the information on it will be down below, but I do say the price in the video, the length in the video, I said all of that. So keep watching if y'all are interested. I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. So we're just gonna start with the wig on my head. Y'all, this wig is from Curlyme hair. I just did a video with them. It's the I think it's the blunt cut one. Yeah, the blunt cut one with the headband on my channel. It was a straight wig. So this is my first curly wig from them, and I'm kind of excited to get into it. Okay, I think this is centered enough. Y'all, I like this wig. Okay, if y'all wondering, I should probably explain. It's cut already because I guess I wore it. I don't remember wearing it, but I guess I wore it and I never filmed the video, which is weird. But yeah, so it's plucked and all of that already. It doesn't look, I don't think this wig is bleached, the knots at all. So it's literally just plucked, but you can see the hairline. Is how it looks. We just gonna install it. Y'all know how we do it, like literally same technique, different video. We're doing got to be spray in the blow dryer, my best friends. Okay, let me do this real quick, then I'm come back and start talking to y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the wig on my head. The lace is a little dark for me, but I did rip the wig. I'm gonna show y'all. So here's the wig pulled back, and it looks fine. You can see my ball cap, but ignore that. That's not what I'm talking about. It looks fine, but I ripped it in here, right here. I accidentally split it because it wasn't fitting my head all the way, so I ripped it to make it fit. On accident, of course. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. If I'm being honest, it doesn't really feel big head friendly because it would not have fit my head without that ripping it. Okay, I'm gonna do the baby hairs now on camera. Yes, so everybody can see, of course. There's already some picked out, but I think we're gonna start at the top here. We're gonna need like new ones because I don't want to do it like straight back. I want the baby hairs. Lately, I low-key been wanting to try like them exotic baby hairs, like the twist in it. It's like the curl, you know, the curl in your forehead, the ringlet. That's what I want to try. We're not gonna do that today, so sorry if I disappoint anybody, but this is just gonna be regular baby hairs. But I'm gonna try them eventually. I just want to try something different for pictures, honestly. Literally 80% of the time when I'm doing these videos, I'm getting dressed up to do nothing and go nowhere. But this time I need this to come out good because I'm finna go to Orlando on Sunday. It's Friday right now, but yeah, I'm going to Orlando to surprise my friend. Today I'm supposed to be going to like my friend's house to stay there until I leave for Orlando because she lives closer to Orlando. So I'm gonna need my hair to come out good because I'm not trying to redo the whole thing over at her house. Oh, and before I forget to say it, I'm using Eco Styler on my edges. Y'all always ask, but I say it in every video. But yeah, I'm thinking about vlogging. I don't know how y'all feel about that. We're gonna find out because this won't be up in time for y'all to tell me yes or no. But I think I'm gonna vlog my Orlando road trip because we're supposed to be getting new content this month. I didn't say anything, but I'm telling y'all now. There's gonna be a lot of new content this month that's not hair related at all. All that means is that I want more vlogs, period. I don't got no vlogs on here. Do y'all know I don't have a single vlog on my channel? I'm not sure if I'm gonna be the best person to vlog, but when some of you guys ask for vlogs, I'm always saying I don't have nothing going on. And today and this weekend I actually do have something going on, so I just feel like I need to vlog it because I can't use that excuse no more. Okay, so here the baby hairs go completed. If y'all honestly watch me, like for real, watch my videos, you know I don't do baby hairs like this. So I just felt kind of extra today because we did the full hairline. Also, it helps hide the fact that the lace is a little too dark because already it's looking 10 times better. But yeah, here's the wig on and secured. I want to tie down my baby hairs. Let me find my wrap real quick. All right, y'all, so now that my hair's wrapped up, this is all the hair to the front. Let me tell y'all what this company told me. They're telling me this is 26 inches. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna stretch this hair down for y'all because I already know. First of all, the most this could be right now is 22 or 24. I'm not gonna say 22. I think it feels like 24 inches because it is actually way longer than I thought in the first place. But just keep in mind that if this is their 26, it shrinks up like this. Like, it's not gonna be down your back or nothing. That's something to keep in mind. It's not a problem for me, but if I was buying it like you guys, I would want to know that. So I'm just letting y'all know because I'm always watching out for y'all. You can't say I'm not. Oh, I'm gonna put all the hair to the front so y'all can see real quick. Yes, this is the hair. It looks beautiful, it's big. I'm gonna just style it how I always do, water and Eco Styler. And it doesn't have anything else in it right now except for it's been hot combed with a wax stick. That's it. I definitely did not mean to wet the hair this much with that much Eco Styler. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back when it's drier because I don't want this to be like the end of the video. Because it's not, like, you can't even see the curl pattern because it's so way down. So I need this to dry a little bit. It might be dry after I do the other side, but I'm gonna come back after I do this side at least. Okay, so this is how it looks with both sides wet. Like I said, I'm gonna come back, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like wet. You can see over here, they're all clumped up. I put way too much gel, but this is what I meant to do. But for both of them, I'm gonna just let it dry a little bit more. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair is looking. I didn't run my fingers through it or anything. This is literally just dry, gelled hair. First, we're gonna take the wrap off and see what we got. I'm gonna just go ahead and comb out some of the baby hairs because they're looking a little glued into place. Okay, yeah, so here's all the hair to the front. I'm gonna just separate some of the curls so y'all can see. If y'all hear a bell ringing, that's my puppy running around. I'm so sorry, but I can't stop her. It's a little damp in the middle, but most of this hair is like crunchy dry, so it's like dry. This reminds me of some hair I had before, but I can't remember who. I think it's Cranberry. This house looking all 26 inches of it on my head. The lace is now darker than it seemed when we first wrapped it. I hate when the lace is too dark. That's so aggravating because you can't fix it. So yeah, I'm a little aggravated by that, but it's not like to the point where I'm not gonna wear this wig out because I have to go. Yeah, I do wish it was a little lighter. They should have just sent transparent. That's what they should have sent. But just keep in mind, if you're my skin color, the lace is a little darker. There's ways to lighten your lace. We're gonna try one day, but I've been looking at ways to lighten your lace because I'm tired of getting sent like dark laces and I can't do nothing about it. Here's how the hair's looking. My honest opinion, I think I'll give this hair a 6.5 out of 10 because of a few things. So the first thing is the hair itself is not like the softest hair in the world. It wasn't super easy to detangle. It's not hard or anything, but it's definitely like, it's coarse. It's like coarse, thick strands of hair. And because it's like so thick, I wasn't able to get this hot comb as flat as I wanted. If you like really thick hair, then that's good. That's a plus. But I'm just telling y'all, it has very thick strands of hair. Another one of my cons is gonna have to be the length. It could be true to length. I'm not a measuring tape, so I don't know. I'm just guessing. But in my opinion, it doesn't look 26 inches when you're wearing it. If it is, that's okay. That's okay. I'm just telling you, I don't like how I can't tell when I'm walking around. I like to walk around with my hair touching my booty if it's 26 inches, period. So this isn't giving that, and that's a con to me personally. If you don't like that, it's as simple as don't choose this curl pattern. Literally, choose a looser curl pattern and you should be fine. I'm so sorry about my dog. I am 80% sure y'all can hear her, but we're gonna ignore her. And then lastly, of course, the lace being too dark. I don't like that. I think they should send light laces so that people can darken them if they need to. And yeah, because it's way easier to darken the lace than it is to lighten it. Like, what's good? And then it's crazy because the wig that I just tried blended perfectly with my skin and it was light and I love that. So I don't know what they did with this wig. Like, it doesn't feel the same, but who knows. As far as pros go, I do like how it's 13 by 6. It goes way back here, so it looks way more natural. I also like the curl pattern, but I feel like they should have put less hair on the frontal if they were gonna do this curl pattern, because it's so thick that my hair can't get flat like how it needs to, and I don't like that. I think these curls are super pretty. They're very natural because they're so thick, and like, you know, they're the tiny curls too, like the pretty ones, you know. But that's probably my favorite thing about the hair. I honestly can't think of nothing else, so that's why I'm giving it a 6.5. It's not my favorite wig, but if the price justifies it, then I would recommend buying it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up the price real quick and then I'm gonna tell y'all if I think it's worth it, if I would buy it. The questions that y'all always ask me. This hair is $243. That's a great price for 26-inch kinky curly hair. But since the hair came to me like this and I know what the 26 inches looks like, I could kind of see why it's an affordable wig, because it's not like the best hair in the world, but it's not a bad wig. But I feel like the unit fits the price that it's at. So I would pay $243 if I wanted this unit, yes. That's really affordable. Like, check anywhere, you're not gonna find 26 inches of curly hair for that price, okay? That's a good price. Oh, last thing I want to say, y'all, this is the longest length they have. So this is the longest length. Like, this is as good as it gets. I do think y'all should watch other videos on this hair just to make sure I didn't get like a defected one. Like, if they have hair that's shorter than mine, or it's supposed to be shorter than mine but it looks longer, then I might have just been like in the middle of a mix-up, and that's fine. But y'all should definitely, don't forget to double check. Don't just base everything off one video. Don't do that. That's not smart. You know better, okay? As far as this hair goes, I like it. It's cute, whatever. It's very nice for fall. I do like how it looks. I like the curl pattern, and I think I'm gonna take bomb pictures in it, period. So that's my full review on this hair by Curlyme Hair. This company overall, this is my second time working with them. I like their straight hair way more, I'll say that much. But I hope to work with them again so that we could see more about their quality, because it seems like 2 wigs can be very different from the same vendor. So I just want to see, I want to try another wig from them, and I'll give y'all my final opinion, because I don't have enough to base it off of right now, because I loved the last wig, but I'm not in love with this wig. I'm gonna just see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to join the Pretty Game by commenting, liking, and subscribing, and pressing the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post, okay? I'm about to start vlogging literally as soon as I get off this camera, so don't forget to watch that. Definitely check that out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itsprettymy, ITS pretty my. And check me out over there for behind the scenes stuff so y'all can see what I be up to, and for posting updates, because I don't have a real schedule right now at all. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.